Good morning, class. My name is Jack. Please take your math books to page 4.
Teacher, I have a question.
What is your question, Grover?
What time do we get out of here?
You get out of here when I tell you to.
But...
Shut up! Fuck up! Now, class, what is 6 times...
Damn, Grover, you got owned. Shut up, that's why I slept with your girl. What the fuck?
You see, math is not hard.
Hey, teacher, can I please use the restroom?
Yes, but next time raise your damn hand. Now, yes, Cookie Monster.
Can we please use the restroom?
Wait until Grover comes back, then you can go.
But sir, me really got tank with me. I me can't hold it. Please.
Fine, but don't ask again.
Washing my hands.
So, if 4 times 7 equals...
Oh my God! Don't leave me, girl!